Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com, using cumin, coriander and fennel together may support your digestion. Break key takeaways: cumin, coriander, and fennel may ease bloating and gas by supporting digestion. Using these spices in tea or cooking may be more beneficial than occasional use. Experts say it's best to use the natural spices in foods and drinks rather than taking a supplement. Break cumin, coriander, and fennel are often used to help relieve gas and bloating. Some influencers have dubbed this Ayurvedic medicine combination as an ancient spice mix. They can be used in cooking or brewed into tea to support digestion. Here's how the three spices work together. How do cumin, coriander, and fennel support digestion? Herbs and spices have been used for centuries to support digestion. In parts of South Asia, people often eat mukwas and number 148, a seed blend typically made with fennel and coriander and number 148, to freshen breath and aid digestion. While research is limited, some studies have examined how seeds like cumin, coriander, and fennel may support gastrointestinal health. A recent study in Iran found that cumin improved bowel function for people recovering from surgery. In a randomized controlled trial in China, heated fennel therapy and number 148, a treatment in which fennel is microwaved, wrapped in a towel, and placed on the stomach, and number 148, also supported gastrointestinal function after surgery. Another Iranian study showed that fennel worked just as well as dimethicone, an anti-gas medication, in reducing flatulence after a C-section. Animal studies have suggested that coriander may help treat inflammatory bowel disorders. More research is needed to confirm the benefits of consuming all three spices together, but they seem to have a and number 156 synergistic effect in practice, said Stephen Dharma, MD, director of the University of Arizona Andrew Weil Center for Integrative Medicine. And number 156. That means the combination of the three, potentially, could be even better than just any one on their own. And so I encourage patients to combine them, and number 157, Dharma told very well. How often should you use these spices? While these spices may support digestion, they are not a magic bullet. Some people feel immediate relief from a one-off dose, but it's best to consume these spices less than speak regularly, along with probiotic and fiber-rich foods, as part of an overall gut-healthy lifestyle, Dharma said. You can brew tea with cumin, coriander, and fennel, or use the spices to season high-fiber foods like lentils, broccoli, kidney beans, or sweet potatoes. Related stories: 4 science-backed benefits of coriander, and how to add it to your diet. 5 proven ways carrot and ginger juice can naturally boost your health. Are cumin, coriander, and fennel safe? Cumin, coriander, and fennel are generally safe, but that doesn't mean they are right for everyone. A major misconception we hear is that all natural equals always safe. Monique Richard, Mississippi, RDN, LDN, an integrative and functional dietitian nutritionist based in Johnson City, Tennessee, told very well in an email. A 2021 Consumer Reports investigation found that dozens of different spices, including multiple cumin products, were contaminated with concerning levels of heavy metals. Long-term heavy metal exposure can harm the kidneys, immune function, central nervous system, and reproductive system. People who are pregnant, nursing, or taking certain medications may need to avoid cumin, coriander, and fennel, or consult with a healthcare provider about appropriate dosages. In their harvested edible form, they are useful, low-risk first-line support vehicles for mild, functional digestive complaints, Richard said. However, taking these spices as supplements may not offer the same results. The FDA does not approve supplements before they hit the market, so these are not always safe or effective. If you want to add these to your gut health routine, consider adding them to food and drinks first. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.